So guys, dito sa Okada merong robot para sa disinfection. Yan. Ito tayo sa Medley Buffet for breakfast.
Is this table for 1 or 2? Reception please. Can I check your temperature please?
Ano?
33 sir.
Okay.
Malamig sa kwarto na sir.
Oo nga. Bumabagyo pa.
Mabagyo pa na sir. Sir, okay lang po sanitize.
Eh. Hanggang 10:30 ba to?
10:30 po sir.
Buti na lang.
Last order natin sir, 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes, for breakfast po, naka-set menu po.
This one. So set menu.
Yes po, set menu po tayo.
Okay.
This is our set menu. So we have 5 sets. We have the Filipino, English, American, Chinese, and Continental po.
Anong maganda?
If you love po yung may mga rice, meron kami Filipino set sir. It's a choice of pork longganisa, tocino.
I don't eat pork eh.
You don't eat pork. How about American po? Patanggal na lang natin yung bacon mo sir. For Chinese, we do have continental po sir, that is sorted breads po.
Gusto ko yung rice.
Rice po. Ito po, kung gusto niyo po.
Tanggalin mo na lang yung ano. Choice naman eh,
di ba? Or beef tapa po. May options naman po.
Beef tapa.
Beef tapa na
Beef
lang.
tapa. Okay. How long ba?
Give us 15 to 20 minutes lang po for burger. How about for your drinks po? You can have it coffee, tea, milk, juices po.
Juice na lang. Meron bang fresh orange juice?
Fresh orange juice po.
Kasi maraming coffee, may tea sa room, di ba?
Opo. Sige po.
Thank you. So ito na yung protocol ngayon. So merong partition. Dito naman sa center table, magkaiba. So hindi pwedeng magkaharap. Ito nga yung protocol ng dining dito sa Okada. So they are very strict in following IATF guidelines. Nakita natin dito, hindi masyado maraming tao kasi kare-reopen lang nila kahapon. Ba, may tumutulog. Okay. So this is for maramihan pero still limited. Dapat 2-3 tao lang yan sa kanya. Let's go around. Ito yung para sa mga nag-stay dito. Medley Buffet. Pero right now is served, so nakaset ang breakfast. Good. So what I chose was Filipino dish. Oh, ito. Balon-balon. Hi. Yeah, I'm from the media. Actually, isusulat ko to sa Manila Times. Pero meron din akong YouTube channel. Yes. Ano talaga to pang Filipino?
Korean.
Itong section? Korean.
Sa Chinese, Thai, Malaysian, Indian.
Talaga? Asian cuisine?
Yes.
Okay.
Southeast Asian po.
India, hindi Southeast Asia yun eh. South yun. They're very friendly. The Korean. Ito, talaga, very Filipino. Yan o. Pampanga, Bulacan. Yan Quiapo pa. Hi.
order dito, dapat check ko lang po yung order natin. Is beef tapa po ba yun?
Yeah.
Beef tapa, yung rice po natin plain garlic or longganisa.
Garlic.
Garlic rice. And then for the 2 eggs po sir, sunny side
Sunny side up.
Alright, pa sunny side up. Alright po sir, you can order hot drink later na.
Juice ang in-order ko. Kasi maraming coffee sa tea sa room eh.
Okay
So,
po.
orange tea.
Orange juice po.
Oo.
I-try ko lang po na yung orange po natin juice, hindi po siya fresh. Pero chilled lang po.
Okay lang. No problem. Ayun na ba yun?
Yes po. Thank you po.
Okay. I'll go around first. Salted bread. Isitahin natin lahat. Ito yung noodle station nila. Ayan. Ito yung Japanese. Japanese section. French.
Oh, one video 50 pesos, no?
Hi! Ito yung protocol nila ngayon. So, this is where I'm seated. Okay guys, Okada Manila has reopened on 11/11. So it's now open for business. Actually naman talaga hindi sila totally na nawala. So panahon ng lockdown, ang sabi sa akin doon yung PR officer nila is that tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho, nagkaroon ng training, refresh training for their staff. Nagkaroon sila ng pictorial for their brochure, for their promotional materials. So, hindi talaga nawalan ng trabaho yung mga tao rito. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And everything is discounted. Like yung rooms, they're on a promo, 50% discount. So, yan, may bus park dito. And by the way, I'm using Heroism mask ng Uniqlo, and this is a courtesy of SM Foundation. So, nandiyan na yung order ko. So, I'm now ready to eat for breakfast. Ay, wala pa yung rice. Again guys, sa mga first time makapunta sa YouTube channel ko, please click the subscribe button below, the red one, just below it, this video. Marami po akong pinupost dito. Since I'm from the media, I already introduced myself. I have a lot of coverages sa mga events like this. For business with safety protocols like this one. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung glass partition na yan.